So the work at NIST is basically just extension of my the doctoral research at the Purdue University. So the working at NIST, which is the world leading, the laboratory organization, is actually the next the career goal after school. Especially the NIST researchers, they conducted like a comprehensive the failure investigations on the World Trade Center, which collapsed due to the fire following the impact from the air jets. So NIST has some special program called SURF, so Summer Undergraduate Research Fellowship. So this special program is actually give the undergraduate students a opportunity to work elbow to elbow with the research, the NIST researchers, with the various, the research topics, including the fire structure engineering. Well, basically, if you're interested in design the buildings and infrastructures, basically you have to know the physics and math in high school, or at least you like to solve these problems. So as a researcher, I don't have any specific a daily routine task, but my work can be very diverse from time to time. So these days my work focuses on designing the test, the experimental test, which will be conducted in the newly constructed laboratory, which called the National Fire Research Laboratory. So this experimental design involves some comprehensive modelings for safely conducting the experiment, and then preparing the documents, the design documents for the calculations and shop drawings for the components that to be used for the test setup. Recently, I actually tested the large scale, the steel I-beam columns that can be used for the real buildings. So what we did is basically we just cooked the steel specimens at very high temperatures, higher than the 1,000 degree Fahrenheit, and then we basically applying really large mechanical forces, and then to see how it deforms and the measures and some various deformations. So that must be related to the NIST missions, which is to promote the U.S. innovations and industrial competitiveness by advancing the measurement science, technologies, and the standards to improve the quality of our life. So I can find the most rewarding aspect in my work is to promote the building, design, and measurement standards to improve the fire safety tools that can be used for the buildings and infrastructure.